Unleash your inner artist and discover the surprisingly simple way to create captivating coloring books, entirely for free, using the magic of AI. Our journey begins with crafting the perfect prompt from Midjourney. Think about the theme of your coloring book. Are you going for whimsical creatures, intricate mandalas, or perhaps serene landscapes? The more descriptive you are, the better. For instance, try prompts like cute fluffy cat, simple line art, black and white, coloring book page, clean outlines, no shading, or intricate floral mandala, detailed line work, black and white vector style, symmetrical, coloring page. Once you input your prompt, Midjourney will present you with 4 variations. Don't be afraid to experiment. Click the reroll button if none of them are quite right, or use the U buttons to upscale your favorite. For coloring books, we're looking for clear, distinct lines with minimal shading. You might need to try a few different prompt combinations to get the precise look you desire. Paying attention to negative prompts, like no shading or no color, is crucial here. Now, let's refine our masterpieces. Download your chosen image if there are any tiny imperfections or stray marks. A free photo editor like GIMP or PaintNet is your best friend. You can easily erase unwanted lines or fill in small gaps to ensure crisp, clean outlines. Perfect for coloring with several refined images in hand. It's time for layout. Many presentation software options or even simple word processors allow you to arrange these pages. Consider the flow and size of your designs. Think about adding a title page and numbering your pages for a professional touch. You can even add a simple border to frame each design. And there you have it, your very own custom-made coloring book, created with the power of Midjourney and a few free tools. This is a fantastic way to express your creativity, or even to start a small business selling unique coloring content. Happy coloring!